Hi, Lindsay here with Off Leash Canine Training Charlotte. Today I have Mogley. She is a 10-month-old sheepadoodle and she is brand new to our 2-week board and train program. Her owners say that she's a really sweet dog, which she is. She's really nervous around strangers and she doesn't want to be touched or greeted by them, so she'll kind of do the jump backwards where you try to pet her, maybe stand back at a distance and bark at you. The owners say that she also has no recall, so she actually got out last night and it took the owners about 30 minutes to catch her, and she just did the fun, let me run around and not get close to you, so they couldn't get close and catch her. The owners say that they also like to run with her, and she does the cutting in front of you and then barking at the strangers, barking at the cars that go by, things like that, so it's a little challenging to run with. She does know sit. Other than that, we'll see. So Mogley, sit when she wants to. Mogley, sit. Just having the time of your life. Sit. Sit. Mogley, sit. Oh, good girl. Oh, thank you. Down. Mogley, sit. Sit. Mogley, sit. Good girl. Down. Now, down. Down. All right, Mogley, heel. Heel. Let's go, Mogley. Heel. So again, as you can tell, she's having fun. This is the best time of her life here. She is a very sweet dog. Again, we want to build that confidence, especially around strangers. Fix this issue right here. Get her listening off leash with distractions. Again, the whole 9 yards, and we look forward to showing you her progress in 2 weeks.